Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how the date and time works in Excel. For better understanding, I am going to use a simple employee daily wage calculation worksheet. Usually, we use a simple formula to calculate the total working hours, which is to subtract the start time from end time. But you will find that, when we copy the formula downwards, some fields appeared with error, return. To remove these errors from the calculation, we must understand the cause behind this problem. This error can be solved easily if we learn how Excel handles date and time data. Excel records date and time as a numeric value with a decimal. The integer part of the numeric value represents the date. And the first day of the date can be traced back to as for January 1st, 1900. The decimal part of the value records the time. Excel converts 24 hours a day into decimal between 0 and 1, so 12 o'clock noon will be recorded as 0.5. And morning 6 o'clock and evening 6 o'clock is 0.25 and 0.75 and so on. In other words, it is a fraction of a value 24. So, the number of working hours returned error because the employee's working hours exceed 12 o'clock in the evening. Excel mistakenly thought that 2 o'clock in the middle of the night occurred at the same day. And Excel doesn't know we are referring the 2 o'clock in the next day. So, when the two times are subtracted and run out of a negative number, Excel returns an error value. The best way to fix this problem is very simple. We only need to extend the original timeline. That is, changing the off-duty time plus 1 to the next day can avoid the situation where two times are subtracted to produce a negative number. If we want to write as a formula, we can substitute with a simple if function, which is determine whether the shift end time less than shift start time. If it is, we will add 1 to the shift end time, then subtract the shift start time. If it is not, then we can use normal subtraction between shift start and end time. As usual, the Excel return the time as decimals. To convert in hours, we can multiply the decimals value by 24. Since, as we seen earlier, the decimal represents the fraction of 24. Or you can convert by using Format Cell option. To calculate the daily wage, we can multiply the hourly wages with total hours worked. As usual, the Excel return the time as decimals. To convert in hours, we can multiply the decimals value by 24. Since, as we seen earlier, the decimal represents the fraction of 24. Or you can convert by using Format Cell option. This is how Excel keep records of a date and time value. Understanding basic requirements will save time and error. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and if you find this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful Excel tutorial. I will see you in the next video.